Hello students, today our lesson is geography first lesson our environment. So we are going to learn about our environment. Please everyone you read the lesson also and take your book also. So here about environment we will learn. What is environment? So environment is surrounding in which an organization operates. You can see here in which an organism operates include air, water, land, natural resource, flora, fauna, human being, all interaction made this our environment, surrounding. Remember main word our surrounding, then including air, water, land, natural resource, flora, fauna, then animal, plants comes under flora, fauna, animal, different type of vegetation comes. So all these things made our what environment. And here living things, non-living things both comes in the environment. Here you can see in your first page that environment comprises biotic, abiotic, surroundings. Same thing what I have discussed there in the picture, comprises include all the things. So environment comprises what? Biotic, abiotic. Okay, here comes what is biotic, abiotic, you have to know. Here you can see biotic, living things, abiotic, non-living things. Here you can see biotic, living things comes, that like plants, animal, fungus, these are all living things. And under abiotic what comes? Non-living things, water, air, soil, light, these are what? Non-living things. So it means biotic, abiotic, that both living things, non-living things made our environment. Here another important thing, environment broadly, here you can see, I'll show you, environment may broadly divided into two categories: natural environment and human environment. What is natural environment? Natural environment, here you see, natural environment includes all living things and non-living things which exist naturally on earth. This word is important, naturally on earth. Okay, naturally, the what sometimes we say God gift, what God gift us naturally on earth, air, water, plant, naturally on earth. And second thing, what is human environment? Human environment second is very important category, that is human environment includes building, roads, tunnel, factories, these are called human environment, which made by humans. Remember, which made by humans. Here you can see this picture also you have in your book, but here I have taken as colorful picture. So here you can see environment, components of environment. What components of environment? What components? Both natural and human made environment. Natural comes water, air, land, then what? All living things which live in these three components. What? Biosphere. It's natural, which we get in nature, but we don't get in nature this one. Means mostly plant are natural, but that made by what? Human being, like many kids like swing and different type of play kits. And here building, bridge, these tunnels, all these human made. And this natural and human made environment what made our surround environment. Here human also have important, another important thing, human. What human? This one human, it's made family, then celebration, religion, festival made, and human also made a group of human. What? Without human, any development is not possible. Okay, here you can see, for in natural environment, mostly what? Four realms of the earth. Four main factors for natural environment. What are the four main factors? Here already you got atmosphere. Here atmosphere you got, and in atmosphere what? Here air around us is mixture of gases, lots of gases, that mostly nitrogen what? Abundant. How much percent? 78% nitrogen, and oxygen made up what? 21% only. Okay, so mixture of gases made our air. So atmosphere is what? It's a gaseous layer which surround the earth and kept our place by earth gravitational pull. So it's a gaseous layer. So first realms of what? Atmosphere. Okay, second comes is hydrosphere. Atmosphere air, hydrosphere what? Water. Hydrosphere water, water bodies. So here you can see hydrosphere is made up of all water bodies on the earth. It comes under frozen ice, glacier, all comes under this hydrosphere. And ocean that make the 71% of the earth's surface. Ocean covers what? 71% our earth's surface. It's major part of hydrosphere. So after hydrosphere comes lithosphere. Lithosphere is a land. So lithosphere comprises what? Outer crust. Okay, outer crust of the earth. It's made up of rock. These all comprises on the crust, made up of rock. Ocean beds, it's all continent and ocean beds comprise this crust. Plateaus, plain, valleys, these all called what? Lithosphere. Then after lithosphere comes biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow contact zone of air, water, land. So I'll show you how it's interaction of these three zone. Okay, here you can see atmosphere air, hydrosphere water, lithosphere land, and these three component made what? Ecosphere or biosphere. These three component made where living things, human, animal, plant, all possible. Just you see, without water we cannot live, without land we cannot live, without air we cannot live. So these three components made one small interaction, that is mostly called biosphere, where we live. Okay, I hope you have understood that four realms of our what? Natural environment. Now here is one important thing again under air. What? Atmosphere. Here are some points. Okay, layer of atmosphere. I'll show you what is the layer of atmosphere. Air, atmosphere have some layers. What layers? Here you can see troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Okay, so these are some layers of airs, that means atmosphere. Okay, so this is beautiful picture. So here you can see with example layers of atmosphere. With example layers of atmosphere. What? How many types of layers you can see? This is our earth where we live. So first layer is troposphere. Okay, what we see like blanket of our earth, we call air is blanket of our earth. So troposphere is first layer. You can see, like we see sometimes we say called sky. So it's troposphere. After troposphere we have stratosphere. Okay, another layer where all this, see, you can see hot air balloons. These are what? Means fly there. Then after stratosphere comes mesosphere. So you can see meteors here. So it's burned, meteors burns when it comes to mesosphere. Then rocket you can see here. So this layer called mesosphere. Then thermosphere. In this layer what? Thermosphere. Okay, it was thermosphere. This is one thermosphere you can see. Then after thermosphere, what? Exosphere. Here you can see some spaceship, then satellite. So lies here. So it revolve. So this is the layer of atmosphere. So I hope you have understood about the layers of atmosphere. Okay, today we have learned what? Natural environment, atmosphere. Then also we have learned layer of atmosphere, then hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. So please everyone, you do some hard work also, read the lesson also. So you can write this answer also, what is environment also, when whatever you get easy. I hope you have understood what is our environment. Again I am repeating, environment is the surrounding in which an organization operates, include air, water, land, natural resources, flora, fauna, human being. So it's surrounding, okay, it's our surrounding made, and all this interaction or interrelation made our surrounding, it's called environment. So for today, thank you. I hope you have understood. Thank you.